Tada nyo pa kami ni Mami at Daddy Kadantay ka pa kay Brooke. Parang true
You overestimate the enemy. You've won this war, Charles. I helped a little bit, so I'm saying.
Sana all. May katandayan.
You know where to find me.
Mapapasana all na lang tayo dito sa dalawang dogo na to. Sweet naman Oo. Nakakaingit naman Naiingit ako. Sweet yung dalawa. Sweet naman ni Yayang.
Got a minute? No.
Gising siya, yung isa nagtutulog-tulugan. Gumalaw na. Naku.
Sipa mo po.
Sana all talaga, kuya. Sweet yarn? Kuya. Hang mo si Brooke. Minsan nga yung toy niya, yung ganong aso yung toy. Yung stuffed toy na dog. Pinapantay niya sa sarili niya. Para silang nakadapa.
Kuya.
Oo, kasi wala 'di ba si Brooke sa taas. Dito na sa baba natutulog si Brooke nang gigising lang. Naku naman. Oh, bumangon na si Brooke. Malikot ka daw kasi. Parating na kasi yung daddy nila. Alam na yan ni Brooke. Ano, padating na si daddy?
Stop with that shit, seriously.
Hop in, come on.
I'm just saying, you have a vintage car. Let me take a picture.
No, nobody's laying a hand on my 2-liter turbo.
Hey, first of all, I'm not nobody when it comes to auto mechanics.
Yes, you are.
Excuse me. And one
I
night.
said no, never, period. Stop, get in.
Well, it's going. Because if I'm not in my cell at 8, they'll
Get your bracelet for me. I make the rules. It's a special day. You like it?
Hindi naman yun si daddy Motor yun O, diba? Ang cute nilang dalawa, diba? Wow! Couple! Sana all.
Welcome to our future garage now.
Sana all.
You should see your face.
So, bye-bye. Good night.
This is the best part.
Good night. Oh, sweet naman! Ang sweet naman! Say good night. Bye. Good night. Sweet naman nga
This real?